Today I'm making a simple party cocktail drinks for this festive season. It's a very simple fruit punch recipe that has nata de coco and pieces of fruits. It's cool, pretty, and very refreshing. Adding alcohol is an optional for a smooth taste. This recipe is for one serving. In a tall glass, add 1 tablespoon of cocktail fruit mix in syrup, with 1 tablespoon of syrup from the can. Next, add 1 tablespoon of nata de coco and 1 tablespoon of syrup from the tub. I am using grape flavor nata de coco, but any flavor works well for this recipe. Then add 230 ml of ice cream soda. A teaspoon of salt, and squeeze juice from 2/3 of freshly cut lime. Add some ice cube to the glass, stirring it all into the mocktail drinks, and garnish with a stalk of mint leaf. Now our simple party mocktail drinks is ready to be served. For the alcohol version, repeat the steps. Add 1 tablespoon of fruit cocktail and 1 tablespoon of syrup from the can, followed by 1 tablespoon of nata de coco and 1 tablespoon of its syrup from the tub. Next, pour 150 ml of ice cream soda. Mix it with 1 teaspoon of salt and lime juice from about 2/3 of freshly cut lime. Now I am adding the alcohol. I am adding about a shot glass amount of rum and stirring it all into the cocktail. Lastly, add ice cube to chill the drink. And top it off with more ice cream soda. Garnish with a sprig of mint leaf. And we are done. Our simple party cocktail drinks is ready to be served. Notice that the nata de coco floats for the mocktail but sinks for the cocktail. This is one way to tell them apart. Let's give the cocktail a try. Delicious, sweet and very refreshing in this afternoon heat. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!